But this type of people who don't have the Facebook pixel, it's more likely that they don't understand what is social media marketing. They don't understand how to do it. They're looking for somebody who's going to do it because they know the power of social media marketing. Social media marketing jobs. Basically what it is all about is handling social media pages or social media presence for businesses, so and companies, individuals, and so forth. So basically all you'll be doing is managing and running ads for their business so that to get them more exposure online, because remember, all the audiences, all the customers that a company needs are basically online, because there's over billions and billions of people that are using social media every single day. So the best thing that businesses can do in terms of marketing is putting ads right in front of targeted audience using social media marketing. So how is this an opportunity for you to make money? Well, if you stick around in this video all the way to the end, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can get started to make a list. As you can see right here, it ranges from anywhere from $30, $150. It actually goes all the way to $1,800 if you are, depending on the types of services you'll be doing. Like as you can see right here, social media, one-on-one training for employees. So if you want to go that route, you also be able to charge $1,800. This is in a single day. It can be recurring. So it all depends on the type of services that you'll be running. So I'm gonna share with you my strategy and how you can get started with it right now. So if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, leave a comment down below if you got any questions, or join our Facebook group and Telegram group for more details. Or if you got any questions, I'll help you out there. Also, don't forget to like and share. And yeah, let's get into this video. So basically, as you can see, as I say, this can be retainer, this can be monthly, this can be weekly, even daily. So it all depends on what type of services that you're going to be doing for these businesses. So in this video, I'm going to be mainly focused on Facebook and Instagram. So what I mean by that is that a lot of businesses out there are looking for people to manage their Facebook and Instagram pages, even LinkedIn, you know, all these social media pages which can help drive traffic to their business, because a business without traffic basically makes no money. So that's where the key points are about this video. So social media marketing agencies are all over out there. They're becoming more competent, but the only one thing that stops a social media marketing agency from making money is basically having no traffic. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing tool that was created by Kevin David. So he created an amazing tool called Many Leads. What this actually does is that it goes out there and finds businesses for you, so that it literally gives you the emails, contact details, phone numbers, address of the business, and so forth. So that it actually gives you the emails that you need to get started messaging people, potential customers. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you actually get started with this whole process right here in this video. So for anybody who's interested in working from home, doing some social media marketing jobs, social media jobs, being paid to use social media. So as you can see, this the one problem that Fiverr has is that these people are waiting for customers and businesses to come and choose them, right? To come and select them to start a gig with them, right? But what I'm going to be sharing with you is that you don't need to go on sites like Fiverr or any other listing pages for you to get started getting customers. You're literally going to cold emailing to customers and potential customers and businesses to see if they're interested in your social media. So we're not going to just email just about anybody, because Many Leads is going to give you thousands and thousands of contacts and even their social media profiles and so forth. So you literally have just about anything that you need to actually get in contact with the business owners. So what I prefer is that once you use Many Leads to see who the owner of the business is, try to do as much research as you can, you know, through LinkedIn profiles, social media profiles like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, just to see what type of person they are. So you can take it to 1 to 10 business owners per day that you're going to do research on, and literally just message them and see if they're interested in having their social media taken care of for them. So one way to find out if a company is doing social media marketing is installing this Facebook Pixel. This is a Facebook Pixel helper, which is a tool that basically finds out if a website is running ads to their businesses. So the importance of Pixel is that when you run Facebook ads, you basically need a Pixel which is going to help you track the audience type that are coming on to your website and what type of engagement they are doing there, so that you'll be able to retarget them and do stuff like that, right? So once you install this, it's actually for free. You just go to Chrome Web Store extensions or just search for Facebook Pixel, and then you'll be able to install it. As you can see, there's over 1.5 million users. It's a great tool, amazing tool. So what you'll be able to do with this is that when you go on your website, it'll be like this, right? So if you click on it, it will either show you whether this website has a Facebook pixel installed on it, and then if it has one, it will look like this. So this is the type of an example of a website that has a pixel, meaning they are running ads. There's social media marketing being done for them. So we don't want to message people like those because they already know what is going on, right? The type of people that we want to message are people who have this. So who have Facebook pixel errors or who actually don't have. So I just opened up two examples right here. So the first one is Starbucks, as you can see. If I click on here, it's going to say no pixels found on www.starbucks.com. But then you cannot really blame Starbucks for not doing social media marketing because, I mean, it can help them improve in sales, but they have a brand name that is well known and social media presence. So I don't think they really need a pixel, but this is the type of audience that we're looking for. So if you get on many leads, you search the website, you look the website, open them in new tabs, and then check if they have Facebook pixel. So for every website that is listed on many leads, when you search for that certain keyword, when you search for that certain niche and area, all those websites that you're going to get the links, you open them in new tabs and then just check for that Facebook pixel whether it's actually installed, right? So once it is installed, like I said, on Starbucks, it's not, they don't have it here. If we check, they don't have it. But if you go to another website right here that I just opened, also in the coffee niche, it actually has. So as you can see, it shows right there 4 pixels, 2 pixels that are actually found on this website. So it will tell you everything, the details about the website and so forth. So this is the type of website that are already knowing what is happening and how to get traffic using Facebook ads, Google Analytics and so forth. So you won't want to message this type of people, but this type of people who don't have the Facebook pixel, it's more likely that they don't understand what is social media marketing. They don't understand how to do it. They're looking for somebody who's going to do it because they know the power of social media marketing and being able to target people using social media. As I said, billions of people out there, that's potential customers for any type of business in any kind of niche. So this works for just basically generally anywhere in the world. Remember, you can do this from remote tasks as a remote task, so meaning you don't need to be in a certain place to do this. You can do this as long as you get internet connection and you are able to use this many leads right here. So many leads is a tool, as I said, it was created by Kevin David, one of the most powerful people out there when it comes to making money online. This guy is a real genius. So he went on to, after being involved in different businesses online, he realized what most people are looking for, like what are the certain tools that people need to make it online, what are the key software features that people need to make it online. So this is basically what he came up with. This is one of his many softwares out there, and the best part is that they actually have a 7-day free trial. So with the link down below, you're going to be able to get a 7-day free trial. So if I can just show you their sales page right here. So you'll be able to get your 7-day free trial right here. 7-day free trial, legendary, everything is there. So you got the click proof and so forth. But what all these tools will be involved in there. But what we will make them focus on is the many leads. So I'm gonna leave a short video just demonstrating how this works right here. So as you can see, when you search for a certain niche, a certain business niche in a certain area, you get all these leads that are coming up right now, as you can see. So as you can see, you have the name of the business, you have their contact details, you have their social media proofs, social media profiles, you have their emails, you have the website. So the first step will obviously, as I said, open each and every one of these websites, links in the new tabs to check if they have Facebook pixel. So if they do, then you basically, there's a potential, if they don't, that's basically a potential customer for you. So now most of you might be saying you don't know how to run ads, you don't know how to do anything. So what I decided to do is to give you guys a quick guide or a PDF that I use to guide me when it comes to running social media ads, running specifically for Facebook and Instagram. So that's the one most powerful one that you can use because it's on social media and a lot of niches can actually make use of this type of traffic. So what I'm going to do is that when you create your account using the link down below for many leads, all you have to do is just to send me a screenshot. Once you log into your account, just send me a screenshot to the email that I'm going to put on the screen right here, right now. So just send me a screenshot of your account so that I know that you're serious about this and you're really eager to get started to make some money doing social media marketing jobs from home. So once you Once you create your account, remember it's free for 7 days. Just send me a screenshot of your account, then I will message you. I'll send you the free PDF guide as well as any other information material that will help you to run successful ads online, because this is just different strategies to this. There are different strategies when it comes to marketing online using social media ads, because this is paid traffic. So you don't want to mess. For every dollar that you spend, you want to at least make $1.50, $2, right? So that's how you become profitable when you're running social media marketing agency or ads, right, for any business. So if you're interested in that, just as I said, the link is down below. Create your account with Marketer Magic, and then send me once you log in, just send me a screenshot of your dashboard, and then I'll be more than happy to send you 7-day free trial. You'll be able to use many leads to get as many customers as you want. So if you're really serious about this, this is one opportunity for you to get started with right now and be on top of all these other, just be on top of the game compared to all these other people who are here on Fiverr waiting to be hired. But you're putting yourself right in front of the customer and showing them what you're able to do, right? So there's a potential opportunity right here with social media marketing agents. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, turn notifications. As I said, if you got any questions, leave a comment down below, like and share this video, or join the Facebook group or Telegram group. I mostly recommend Facebook group for this type of content if you're interested in this type of content. But if you're interested in cryptocurrencies, then Telegram group will be best for you. So yeah, I really appreciate you taking time to watch this. The link is down below, as I said, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.